What's up guys, Jones Baller here. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this much money on Snapchat and how you guys can do it too. Alright guys, I made a little burner account to show you guys how to make the money on Snapchat, because most of you are probably like, how am I going to make this much money on Snapchat? Well, it's actually a new thing that Snap incorporated a few months ago called Snapchat Spotlight inside the original app. It's kind of like TikTok where you make videos, you hope they go viral, and you'll get paid if they do so. So pretty much, let's just say you upload a video, you get 150,000 views in one day. There's a chance you get paid depending on how many other people got high videos. So the threshold, which is how many views you need to get paid, it changes every day based on how many views other people get. So you don't really know for sure that you're gonna get paid unless you get over probably around 200,000 views. But I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that and how it's actually not that hard. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to actually make a video on Spotlight. So it's pretty much you're using the Snapchat camera. So I'm going to come over here and to the sync real quick. I'm not going to lie, people like the dumbest content on Spotlight, so that's what I'm going to show you. Alright, so we're going to be making a video right now. Honestly, I'm just going to press this little icon at the top of this video just so it's easier to record. So I can just tap to record, turn on the sync, put a fire under, and say how to put out fire. That simple video can actually go extremely viral. So what you're gonna wanna do after that is you can edit it up, put some text on it, whatever you wanna do. But then you're gonna click this check mark once you're done. So once we're there, we can review the video, add the text fire under. Then we're gonna press send to, and you see at the top here, Spotlight. The video has to be over 4 seconds or the Spotlight tab will not show up. So you can add a hashtag here if you want. A lot of people do it, a lot of people don't. Not sure if it helps the video or not. So I'm not gonna put any right now, but all you're gonna do is press send. It's that easy. So you're gonna go over here and you can actually see the Spotlight video right here. It says under Spotlight and Snap Map, your video shows up here. You can click on it, you can see how many likes, shares, whatever, but it's actually going to take a few minutes to get submitted because they need to review the video, make sure it's good, and make sure there's nothing that breaks their guidelines. One thing I want to tell you guys is you should not really upload other people's content because it says in the guidelines that it's not allowed, it's copyright, you could get banned and you could actually get sued from this. So it's not really a safe thing to do. I really don't recommend it. Most people do not get paid about 1%. But this is an amazing way to make money. I've made over 8,000 just from 2 videos and I've got a lot more coming on the way. So if you guys want to make some easy money and just have some fun on Snapchat, make some cool videos. I'm also going to put a Discord link in the description for a Spotlight server. There's a lot of useful information on this server that can help you guys out to make viral videos. It helps you know how many views people are getting in the day. It helps you know what the threshold is. It gives you a lot of information that you're going to need to go viral, and it tells you a lot of things like when payments are coming and all that good stuff. So I recommend you guys go in the description, click that Discord link. This could really help you guys go viral fast. If you guys have any questions about Spotlight, just ask in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you want to make money on Snapchat, give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know how you guys did.